Today we are going to talk about the national symbols of Bahrain. It is an island country in Western Asia. It is situated on the Persian Gulf and comprises a small archipelago made up of 50 natural islands and an additional 33 artificial islands. The National Day of Bahrain is celebrated on the 16th and 17th of December every year. These dates commemorate two pivotal events in Bahrain's history. Firstly, it marks Bahrain's independence from the British Empire. Secondly, it celebrates the day when the country officially became a kingdom in 1783. National anthem of Bahrain is titled as Bahrainuna, which means Our Bahrain. Its lyrics are by Khalid bin Ahmed Al Khalifa, 2002, and the tune is given by Ahmed Al Jamari, 2002. National flag of Bahrain consists of a white band on the left, separated from a red area on the right by 5 triangles that serve as a serrated line. The 5 white triangles symbolize the 5 pillars of Islam. The red on the flag represents the blood of the martyrs and the battles of Bahrain, and the white represents peace. National emblem of Bahrain consists of the kingdom's flag within a 3-sided shield-shaped frame, with a top straight base containing Arab-style motifs engraved on its sides, and surmounted by the royal crown with 5 triangles. National language of Bahrain is the Arabic, whereas English is also a recognized and widely used language for communication in Bahrain. The capital of Bahrain is the city of Manama. An important trading center in the Persian Gulf, it is home to a very diverse population. The national currency of Bahrain is the Bahraini dinar, denoted by the sign BD and by code BHD. National dress of Bahrain for men is a long white robe called a thobe. It has loose-fitting and sewn sleeves, and the upper part of the garment covers the whole body. It is usually worn with pants and shirts underneath. On special occasions, a black cloak called bisht is worn over the thobe, which is decorated with patches or embroidered with gold at its edges. Also, men wear a headpiece called keffiyeh, which includes a knit skull cap, a large red and white checkered cotton scarf, and a black cord that holds the scarf in place. The dress worn by women is called an abaya, which is a long, loose garment that covers the body from head to toe, usually worn over the top of everyday clothing. It is paired with a separate head covering called a hijab or niqab, which is a piece of cloth that covers the head and neck. The national colors of Bahrain are red and white. The red symbolizes the blood shed by martyrs in battles of Bahrain, whereas the white stands for peace. Ali al-Shargawi is known to be the national poet of Bahrain. Born in Manama in 1948, he started publishing his poetry in 1968. National airline of Bahrain is known as Gulf Air. It is the national carrier of the Kingdom of Bahrain, which commenced operations in 1950. The Bahrain National Museum is the largest and oldest public museum in Bahrain. It is situated in Manama and was opened in 1988. It is the country's most popular tourist attraction. The Bahrain National Library, also known as Sheikh Isa bin Salman Al Khalifa National Library, is one of the most prominent cultural institutions in Bahrain and the Gulf region. It was established in 1933. The Bahrain National Stadium is located in Riffa, Bahrain. It can accommodate 24,000 spectators and is used mostly for football matches. It was established in 1982. National sport of Bahrain is football. They have their own domestic football league, the Bahraini Premier League. The country's national football team also competes in major football tournaments of the world. Bahrain does not own a permanent river. The country gets its water from desalination of seawater. Therefore, there is no national river in Bahrain. National mountain of Bahrain is known as Jebel ad-Dukan, also known as the Mountain of Smoke. It is named as such because of the haze, which often surrounds it on humid days. It is the highest peak in the country at an elevation of 440 feet located in the southern governorate of Bahrain. Al Ain Wildlife Park is considered as an important national park of Bahrain. Located in Sakar, Bahrain, it is a nature reserve. It was opened in 1976. National Zoo of Bahrain is also Al Ain Wildlife Park, as it contains a wildlife conservatory and zoo. It is also the only designated protected area on land in the country. National Forest of Bahrain are the Bahrain Mangrove Forests, located in Ras Sanad at the southern part of Tubli Bay. This mangrove stand was designated a nature reserve in 1988. National tree of Bahrain is the date palm. National flower of Bahrain is Ramdal. It holds a deep cultural significance in Bahrain. It is often associated with love, beauty, and purity. National animal of Bahrain is Arabian oryx. National bird of Bahrain is bulbul. National fruit of Bahrain is dates. National dish of Bahrain is called chicken matchbouz, mainly made from a mixture of spices, rice, meat, and vegetables. The spices used are largely responsible for its taste. These are generally black pepper, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, and black lime. National sweet of Bahrain is called Bahraini halwa, mainly made of starch, sugar, and oil, to which are added nuts, saffron, rosewater, and cardamom. National drink of Bahrain is kahwa, also known as Arab coffee. It is brewed from coffee Arabica beans. In total, there are 10 public or national holidays in Bahrain, observed every year. Bahrain gross national income is 69.3 billion PPP dollars. Thanks for watching.